County in east central Florida until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles southeast of Leesburg, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include the villages, Leesburg, Lady Lake, Muscat, Lake Griffin, and Emeralda. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
It's crazy. Tornado warning. This is Hurricane Hermine. You can't see much out there because it's pretty dark, but there's a decent amount of rain. And the wind is definitely has picked up. So right now,
just on the southeast side of the Leesburg area. So you have this cell right going north. So if you're in the Kalaha village, you've already had several points of damage along the Gulf Coast from this tropical storm conditions, and also had a report of damage at the northern Marion County that was earlier today. So these are certainly bringing a lot of wind, and they're moving. Go ahead and put on block here, Jordan. Moving 60 miles an hour. Okay, so the rain itself is just flying through. So we're going to be seeing some wind issues out of this particular storm. I've actually got a scene in my show, Joe, so the SRV. We'll be able to see this right here. So right into the Leesburg area. Right now, it's going to be.
oh, guess the antenna's losing the channel.
Just on the southwest side.
Right now we're in Claremont or Mineola. So Leesburg is about 25 miles north of us.